How to fix WhatsApp backup stuck on Google Drive. Firstly, open Settings on your device. In Settings, scroll down and click on the option Apps. Inside Apps, you will see all your installed apps. Click on the search icon at the top, search for the WhatsApp app and click on it. In your app info, scroll down. Under the section Usage, click on Battery. Here, make sure to select the option Unrestricted. This will help WhatsApp consume battery in background, which can solve the stuck problem. Now go back to your previous page. At the very bottom panel, click on the option Force Stop. Now do the same for Google Drive. Search for the app Google Drive or Drive. Then again from the bottom, click on the option Force Stop. After that, open both apps and disable the Force Stop option. Now go back to your home page. Go to your WhatsApp app and tap and hold on it. From a menu like this, click on the eye icon and now you will land to the app info. Scroll down and select the option Storage. Click on the option Clear Cache at the bottom right corner. Do the same for Google Drive also. And lastly, give your device a quick restart to save the changes. After restarting your device, your problem should be fixed. That's all for today. Thank you.